Yeah, I done got my little Rick James going on here. So if you see a little drip coming off the hair, don't worry about it. Just don't worry about it right now. Okay. We got business to get into, and that is starting your merch business, your t-shirt business, your product-based business before 2026. Now, if selling products online was so easy, wouldn't everybody do it? Wouldn't everybody be making money from it? Well, no, because not everybody knows how to sell online. Not everybody knows the secret sauce to actually making people want to buy from you. And that is why I am doing this 4-part series in collaboration with Printify, one of my favorite print-on-demand companies, because they are letting you start your merch business for no money. And you can start selling for no money. And I want to make sure that you have all of the tools and the tips to start your business before 2026 gets here, right? I want you to get some money in your pocket. I want you to be proud of yourself and not put this off for another year. Some of you send me messages and you're like, I've been trying to do this for 15 years. No more. We're not doing it. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. Okay. So this is going to be a 4-part series, meaning that I am going to drop 4 videos and they are going to be right here on YouTube. There is nothing that you need to do except for turn on your notification bell. It's on my channel. Turn it on for my channel. Okay, it's right where you see subscribe. Go ahead and turn on the notification bell. If you're not subscribed, you already out of line. All right, go ahead, subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you know when a new video has been posted. Again, there are going to be 4 videos. Today is the first video. There will be part 2, 3, and 4. And at the end of this 4-part series, somebody will get the opportunity to join my live call. Now, I want to make this clear because in my intro to the series, I said that I was going to do a one-on-one with the winner like I did at the top of this year. However, I do have a paid accelerator course and I'm doing a live class for those people. And so I want to make sure that I honor the people who have sacrificed to pay for that class. So I want to make sure that I give them priority. So instead of me doing a one-on-one with the winner, you are going to join the December call. The people who are in my accelerator get a November and a December call, a live call with me where we are going to talk about your business. We're going to talk about how to maximize your business, how to just do everything, right? So I want to make sure that I honor those people, especially with everything that's going on right now. So that is the reason for the change. I hope that makes sense. But you still have the opportunity to be a part of that call and also get my marketing ebook to learn how to sell your products, which again is the reason why everybody is not making money selling merch. And also I'll pick 2 other people that will just get the marketing ebook. So hopefully that makes sense about what I am doing this holiday season to give back to my people. 4-part series. Watch all 4 parts. In the last video, I will give you the instructions. All you got to do is leave your Printify store link so that I know that you have slow down, that you have a actual Printify store, and we will choose somebody and I'll reach out to you via the comments. Got it? Cool. The next thing that I want for you to do is really think about who you want to serve. Right? Why you want this business. Obviously, you want to make some more money, but why you really want the business, right? Do you want people to feel empowered when they see your shirts and your products? Do you want people to feel excited? Do you want people to feel angry? Do you want people to feel faithful? What do you want people to feel when they experience your brand? This is very important because t-shirts are a product that will never go away. Okay, celebrities have t-shirts. Everybody has a t-shirt. When there is something trending online, a t-shirt will come from that, right? Because people love to wear their beliefs. They love to wear how they feel. So t-shirts aren't the problem. It's people don't know how to get people to connect to their t-shirt in order to get it sold. And that's why I wanted to start off with us talking about your niche, your target market. Sometimes niche is pronounced niche, whichever one you want to say. You got to know who it is that you want to sell your products to. It's not everybody. And you're going to hear me say that throughout this series. Your products are for a specific group of people, and you need to know who those people are. I do have a free t-shirt class if you're interested in learning more about how to find your niche, how to identify with a certain group of people. Either way, you can also do this on ChatGPT. You can just type in like, hey, I want to sell merch and this is me, like give them your age group and I want to connect to these people. Please help me with the niche and help me with a customer avatar. So your customer avatar is going to be this person that you want to come buy your products. So if I was to think about a customer avatar right now for my brand, whether it be Girl Plus Guy, that would be a woman. She is 35. She loves God and she works at a really nice law firm. And every Sunday she goes to church. On Saturday, she goes to brunch. Like, you see how detailed this is? Like, you want to know exactly the type of person that you want to buy your product. And it's not everybody. And when you think about that one customer avatar and that group of people, because it can be totally different, right? It could be, I'm originally from Detroit, so it could be like, I want everybody from Detroit, men and women, to connect to this product because the shirt says Detroit people are the best people, or Detroit is love, right? So then you're like, okay, well, I want men and women who are 30 to 45 in Detroit to wear this shirt. And this is what this type of person does. This is where they work. This is what they do. And you may be like, well, what does this have to do with the t-shirts? This part, a lot of people skip over. They go straight to designing. They go straight to trying to put a store together. They go straight to buying inventory. They don't do this work. And then they wonder why nobody is buying their products, because you don't know who to sell your products to. Okay. So once you do this work and you find out who your niche is, then you're going to start creating your brand. You're going to create your logo, right? You're going to create the name of your brand. So if I was doing it for Detroit people, and now my brand is called Detroit is Love, I want to come up with a cute logo for that. I'm going to come up with the colors for that. Is that going to be blue and white because our team colors are blue and white? You know, so you want to start thinking like that. What does your brand look like to people? What does your brand feel like? And what will people experience when they see your brand, when they come to buy your t-shirts, when they come to buy your products? What is it that they're going to walk away with and feel? The last time I did this series, my girl Shanita was the winner, and her brand was Get Up, Never Give Up. So she was somebody who had gone through depression. She was over it, and she wanted to not only encourage herself, but encourage other people. So when people come to buy her products, they are buying hope. They are buying that perseverance, that they want to get up. And when they get her shirt and when they put her shirt on, that they feel like they can do anything. So think about that and do this homework now. Don't skip over part 1 in order to hurry up and start designing. If you're really good at designing and you already have designs or you already have a brand, that's totally fine. But please make sure you do the work here to know what your niche is. Okay, know who you're selling to, why you're selling to them, and what you're going to give them. And once you come up with that, you got your logo, you got your brand name. Obviously, you're going to create your social media pages. You want to make sure you got your Instagram, your TikTok, your YouTube, you know, you got your Facebook, you got all of that set up, and you are ready to start selling online. So now that you have your brand, now that you are clear about that, we are going to set up our Printify store. If you already have one, you can kind of skip over this part and just log in. But if you don't, go ahead and click the link in my description and log on to printify.com. You will also see it on the screen, and you can see that, yes, real people making money on Printify, and it's gonna be you. So you can start earning for free. All you gotta do is put in like your email address, your password that you choose. If I were you, I would come up with a Gmail that is for your brand. So if we use the Detroit example, detroitislove@gmail.com or something like that, right? And use that for this so that you can keep everything for your business separate in a separate email. Don't use your other email that's like Chrissy Lee 22@gmail. You want to be as organized as possible, all right? And then they're just going to ask you a couple of questions. And remember, they are also asking about like your niche, because they want to make sure that, hey, you are going to be able to sell your products. But they're just asking these very simple questions just to get an idea of the people that will be selling. And then once you answer those questions, your Printify is set up. Like, you did not have to use a credit card. You did not have to spend any money. You now have a Printify store with thousands of products to choose from, and you can start selling like that and start making money. So it is that easy. That is why I love working with Printify, because I love that I was able to use it when I didn't have any money to start, and that I've been able to help thousands of other people to do the same thing. So this is part one. Again, your homework is to figure out what your niche is. All right. Make sure you know who you're going to be selling to. Make sure you got your brand created. If you already had a brand, cool. I will see you next week, where we are going to dive into creating designs, making sure that you can set your store up. We're going to talk about pricing. We're going to talk about profit margins. We're going to create our pop-up store together, and we're even going to talk about how you're going to sell the products at the end. So we're going to have a good time in this 4-part series. But I hope that you enjoyed this, and I will see you in part 2, where we will design our shirts.